16 inches of ice. So that's about 1,600 inches of ice. So I just kind of run this thing through the ringer and see if it can actually live up to the claims that StrikeMaster has with it. You probably see over here, I already drilled one hole just to see how much ice I have. The handy dandy ruler here. We're sitting at 20 inches exactly. So kind of do a little calculation on that and just run these through the holes and see how many we can drill here. Let's have one over here. Get started. You can see this thing is completely dead. So I just ran it through all the holes, punched all as many as I could until the battery was completely dead here, as you can see. Overall, really impressed how quick it actually drilled. Now I punched these holes in quantities of 10 for each row here, so I'll kind of give you a walkthrough, but I was quite impressed actually. Again, 20 inches of ice. Here's the first row. You can see I kind of got it Swiss cheese here, but it's rows of 10, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and started the 8th there. So we had 3 holes on the 8th there, so 7 full rows of 10, which is 70 plus another 3, so 73 holes. That's 1,460 inches of ice, I believe, so just shy of the full 1,600 that StrikeMaster claims. But again, I think that's pretty variable, again, depending on the conditions and how much ice you're drilling too. So like StrikeMaster says, they claim 16 inches of ice is what their demo is for 100 holes. So yeah, we're at 73 here. And it's still pretty remarkable how much ice that drilled on 20 inches of ice. So again, met my expectations, I guess. I never really actually fully depleted the battery